Hello and welcome to another video. Today we will talk about two main AI trends of 2023. It is also important to mention that there are many other potential developments that could shape the field of AI in the coming years. Two main trends that are currently being discussed include continued development and adoption of machine learning techniques. Machine learning is a subfield of AI that involves the use of algorithms to automatically learn and improve from data without being explicitly programmed. This enables machines to learn from experience and improve their performance over time. Machine learning techniques are being applied to a wide range of problems, including image and speech recognition, language translation, and natural language processing. As the capabilities of machine learning continue to improve, it is expected that these techniques will be adopted across a wide range of industries. The second trend is integration of AI into a wider range of products and services. AI is being integrated into an ever-growing range of products and services, including smartphones, home appliances, and transportation systems. This trend is expected to continue in the coming years, as businesses and organizations seek to leverage the power of AI to improve efficiency and customer experience. AI technologies are being used to automate a wide range of tasks, from customer service and support to supply chain management and production. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos about artificial intelligence.